How to select the right size of your ebook cover. Getting your ebook cover correct is not as easy as it seems. The different ebook publishing platforms all recommend different sizes for you to use for your cover. In this video, you will learn how to go about getting the right size for your ebook cover, plus a few other great tips for creating the cover for your new ebook. If you want to learn more about publishing ebooks, you can click the link below this video and check out the amazing Kindle Money Mastery course by Stefan James Pylarinos. There are a lot of different places to publish your new ebook. Some of the most popular are Amazon Kindle eBooks, Apple iBooks, Barnes & Noble eBooks, Smashwords eBooks, Kobo eBooks, BookBaby eBooks, Google Play Books. If you are publishing to any of these stores specifically, here are the ebook cover sizes that they recommend. Amazon Kindle ebook cover size dimensions: 1600 by 2560 pixels. Apple ebook cover dimensions: 1600 by 2400 pixels. Barnes & Noble ebook cover dimensions: 1333 by 2000 pixels. Smashwords ebook cover dimensions: 1600 by 2400 pixels. Kobo ebook cover dimensions: 1600 by 2400 pixels. BookBaby ebook cover dimensions: 1400 by 2100 pixels. Google Play Books: 1618 by 2500 pixels. If you plan on publishing to some, or all of them, then you should go with a pixel size of 2400 by 1600. Other advice when creating your cover art: try to avoid compressing your files. If the ebook providers accept the PNG file format, you should use this. For the best results, images should have a minimum resolution of 300 ppi pixels per inch. Make your cover art under 2 megabytes in file size to avoid problems uploading to any of the ebook publishing platforms. Ready to learn today how Stefan is not only making a whopping $100,000 plus on Kindle ebooks, but doing it on autopilot. Click the link below and hop over to Stefan James Pylarinos' Kindle Money Mastery now, before it's too late.